Hey guys, welcome back to Rukias Kitchen channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make these soft layered chapati the easiest way. I know lots of you have been struggling to make soft chapati, but today I'm going to give you tips and tricks to make soft chapatis. So without further any ado, let's start with our recipe. In a mixing bowl, you start by putting 1 kg of wheat flour. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of sugar, optional, you don't have to put sugar in your chapatis. Then you're going to put some oil. Do not add the solid butter, the kimbo or the cowboy, whatever. Just put oil when kneading the flour. Then lastly, you're going to put hot water. Pour the water gradually while mixing until you get a soft, firm dough. So the first 3 tips are here. Make sure you use hot water when kneading the flour, and make sure you use oil. Do not use the solid butter, the kimbo and the cowboy like I said, and make sure you knead the dough thoroughly until it becomes super soft. And once soft, you're going to knead it once more for 2 minutes using some oil. Then afterwards, you're going to divide the dough into 12 or 13 doughs, because 1 kg of wheat flour you'll come out with 13 chapatis, or you can even come out with 15 chapatis. That's up to you. So there's several ways in rolling out your chapati, but this is the best way if you want your chapati to have those soft layers. Take one dough at a time and sprinkle enough flour on the working surface. Then roll out the dough into a large circle. Once done, then you're going to add some oil and apply it. Then sprinkle a bit of flour and roll out the dough as you can able to see in the video step by step. Repeat the same process until you're done. So if you have another technique on rolling out your chapati, just go ahead and use the technique which is best for you, but this is the best way. Then I'm going to cover the doughs to let them rest for approximately 30 minutes to 1 hour so the doughs can become super soft, and later I'm going to come and cook my chapatis. After 1 hour of rest, our doughs have become soft. Take one dough at a time. Here's another tip. When rolling out your chapati, make sure you put enough flour on the working surface. It's so important because it's easily and it's smoothly when rolling out your chapati. Roll out your chapati into a medium thin circle. It doesn't have to be super thick or super thick. It has to be approximately like mine. Here's another tip. When you start rolling out your chapati, make sure your pan is on fire. And once the pan is hot, place your chapati on the pan and cook your chapati on a medium-high flame. Using a presser or a paper, you're going to press your chapati and cook it for approximately 1 minute to 2 minutes. Then flip it to the other side and cook it again for 1 to 2 minutes. Once your chapati is slightly cooked like so, here is the last trick. This is the point that you're going to use your solid butter, the kimbo and the cowboy. You're going to put 1 tablespoon of your cowboy and flip the chapati on the other side and cook it for 1 minute using a presser until you get the color you desire, or a golden color like mine, and flip it once more and cook it for approximately 30 seconds to 1 minute, and your chapati is ready. And repeat the same process until you're done. And our soft layer chapatis are ready, as you can able to see in the video. Store them in a hot pot, and if you don't have a hot pot like me, store them in a nylon paper. Let them to cool down a bit before placing them in a nylon so your chapatis can become super soft. I'm going to take one chapati so you can able to see how super soft and layered this chapati it is. Damn, like this chapati was tasty and it was so soft. You can eat it along with some coconut beans, some stew, tea, or anything that you like, and enjoy your chapatis. If you're going to try out this recipe, please kindly come back to the comment section and let me know. Please kindly give the video a big thumbs up, share, and of course do subscribe. And see you next time. Bye bye.